How are you all? I hope your studies is going on well. And now you have done the question answers of the last poem, The Road Not Taken. And now let us start the second chapter, Prose, the Sound of Music. This is very interesting story of a profoundly deaf girl, how he sensed the music. Let us see the life story of Evelyn Glennie. Listen to sound without hearing it. She listens to sound without hearing it. Now see. Means God may have taken her hearing, but He was given her a back. Something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels. This is the extra quality of the girl, that is, God may have taken her hearing capability, but He has given her a back something extraordinary, like what we hear, she feels, far more deeply than any of us. That's why she expresses music so beautifully. Let us read the following account of the person who fought against a physical disability and made her life a success story. It is very interesting life story and very motivational life story of the Evelyn Glennie. Let us see. Rush hours, crowds, and jostle for the position on the underground train platform. A slight girl, looking youngest than her 17 years, was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibrations of the approaching train. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, and the daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. This is the very busy hours, and the crowds was the very busy hours on the railway platform. That's the very crowded environment and jostle for a position on the underground train platform. This is the condition of the train platform, which is situated in the underground. A slight girl, a lean and thin, slight little girl, a lean and thin girl looking younger. He is looking underage than her 17 years and was very nervous yet excited. She was looking so nervous and excited also. Then her excited as she felt vibration of the approaching train. As she was feeling the vibration, she can sense the music and sound. She can sense the sound but can't hear. And she is sensing. She can feel the vibration of coming train. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. It was her first day at the very prestigious, very famous Royal Academy of Music in London, and daunting enough, and she was fearing enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm, Scottish village type of, and but this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. But this musician facing a big challenge than the other, she was profoundly deep. What was the big challenge for this teenager musicians? This was the aspiring musician faced a big great challenge than other one, that she was completely deaf. Evelyn Glennie lost her hearing had been gradually. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she didn't move. Evelyn was, when he lost her hearing capacity, her mother remembering that when she was only 8 years old, the Evelyn was waiting to play the piano when the turn was her, and they called her name. They called the name of Evelyn, but she didn't move from the seat. I suddenly realized that she hadn't heard. The mother recalling the memory that when he became the deaf and when he lost her hearing capacity, her mother remembers and telling something that when she was only 8 years old and her turn was to play the piano, when they called her name but she didn't move, and on that time they came to know, suddenly realized, her mother realized that she hadn't heard. He didn't heard, says Isabel Glennie बताती हैं, for quite a while Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness, and Isabel Glennie was her mother. She is telling us she is trying for a quiet while. Evelyn managed to conceal. Generally, Evelyn managed to hide her deafness, her conceal her growing deafness from the friends and teachers. He didn't want to show her deafness to the other because it's the weakness of a body. So that he generally hide his disability like this deafness from his friends and teachers. But by the time she was 11, her marks had declined, and her headmistress asked her parents to take her to a specialist. He tried to managed, and he managed a lot. But by the time she was 11 years, her marks had become very low. Drawing become very low, and her headmistress asked his headmistress forced to call her parents to take her to a specialist. And the headmistress called her parents and take her to a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired. As a result, for gradual nerve damage, they were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. It was then discovered that her hearing capacity was completely damaged, impaired, severely impaired, completely weak, completely damaged. His hearing capacity become very weak, and as a result of gradual nerve damage. And why it happened? Happened because his gradual nerve was damaged. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids. They advised to her that she should be fit, she should be accurate, she should be ग्रेजुअल नर्व, जिसे हमका हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम जो होता है, हमारा नर्व सिस्टम के डैमेज, because the nerve system was damaged, so that she became the deaf. And the specialists were advised her that she should be very fit with the help of hearing aids. She had to use hearing equipment and sent to a school for the deaf. And they provide them hearing equipment, and she will be fit with the hearing equipment and aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. Evelyn says that everything suddenly looked dark and black. His future is looked very dark and black. But Evelyn was not going to give up his hopes. But Evelyn was not the type of girl who can lose his hopes, and he was not going to losing his hope, giving up. And she was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. And she was very sure, she was very determined, she was very potential. She had the great potential for the music. She was very determined and very strong willpower girl to lead. He just want to spend a normal life and pursue, and he did her interest, and he showed her interest in music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. She was very strong willpower girl and just want to spend a normal life and show her interest in music. One day when she noticed a girl was playing a xylophone and she decided she wanted to play it too, and she just want to play it. Most of the teachers discouraged her. Put percussionist Ron Forbes. The Mr. Ron Forbes was the life changer of the Evelyn. How? Most of the teachers discouraged her. Many of the teachers making discourage her, like you are not able to listen properly, how you will sing, and many other type of things. But the percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. But a drum beater, percussionist और ड्रम बीटर, जिसे हम कहें तबला प्लेयर, सो a percussionist, a drum beater, Ron Forbes recognized her talent, her potential, her interest, her talent. That percussionist Ron Forbes had find her great talent in the recognized her great talent in music. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. He began to play the large drums in a different notes, different tones, and don't listen through your ears. He advised her. He advised the Evelyn, don't listen through the ears. He would say, try to sense it some another way. Some other way. He advised him, try to sense the music in another way. Says Evelyn, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and lower drum from the waist down. Suddenly Evelyn understand the advice that Mr. Ron Forbes. She suddenly got the vibration of the drums. How? Suddenly, Evelyn realized she could feel the higher drum sensation from the west up side, and the lower one from the west down side. Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. The Ron Forbes making continue her practice with the Evelyn, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense the music notes. She could sense the notes in the different parts of her body. She said, I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibration, and she can learn to open his mind and body. He can sense the music. It's a really very great thing to sense some music. It's very extraordinary quality of this girl. That is, she can sense the music. He had learned she had learned to open her mind and body to sounds and vibrations. She opened her body to the sounds and vibrations so that she can feel the music. The rest was sheer determination and hard work, and the remaining part was completed by his hard work and determination. Determination is the great willpower to do that something, and the hard work. She never looked back from that point onwards. She never looked behind. Means she never looked back. She was continue with that, and she toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra. And by the time she was 16, and she toured the UK with youth orchestra party by the time only when she was only 16. She had decided to make music her life. She decided the potential, the career she chose as career as the talented. She was talented in music, and decided her life, and she had decided to make music her life. She was very great, but she had the great potential, great talent in music, and she chose the music as her career. She auditioned for the Royal Academy for Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. She gave the audition, a small performance, a short performance to the director to decide whether she was good enough. She auditioned for the Royal Academy for Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. She got a very highest marks in the history of the academy, and she gradually moved towards the orchestral work to solo performance. And now she turned towards the orchestral work to do solo performance, not in group. At the end of the year, at the end of the 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards, and within 3 years, she got most of the top awards in the field of the music. And for all this, Evelyn wouldn't, and for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of the heroic achievement. And all of this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of any type of heroic achievement. If you work hard, know where are you going. She always insists for the work hard. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. If you're honest with your work and doing hard work with your work, if you work hard and know where are you going, you will get there. Means where's the way, hope, where's the way, there's the hope. And she got right to the top. The world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some thousandth instrument. After that, she got right to the top. She was the shiny diamond star of the music world. Can understand a deep girl? How can she is not able to the like ordinary person to listen the music, but she feels the music, she senses the music vibration, and she become the bright shiny star of the music world, and she got right to the top, and she was on the top of this world, the world's most sought after multi percussionist, and she became the one multi percussionist with a mastery of some thousand instruments and heroic international schedule, and with very hectic international schedule. She was very hectic, very busy schedule in international performances. It is irritating to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. It is intriguing, and now she got the mastery, of the thousand music instrument multi percussionist. She was not only a musician of a single type of instrument, she got a mastery on the thousand type of instruments, and multi percussionist with a mastery of thousand of the instruments and hectic busy international schedule. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2 hours discussion, she never missed a word. Man with bushy beards give me a trouble. She laughed. It is. And now it is very fascinated and curious to know to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing, because everyone interested to see this girl and to listen the music of this deep girl, and in our 2 hours discussion she never missed word. Man with bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. And she laughed in the interview, and how he became a good, bright, shiny star in the music world, a deep girl. Everyone crazy to see the show of this girl and listen the music of this deep girl. Now, thank you. Have a nice day. Remaining part we'll see tomorrow. Okay.